Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody watching is having a great day. Today we're back with another episode of 1 Minute Sneaker Reviews. This is where I give you a quick review of a shoe that I picked up in under 1 minute. I'll put a link to my last episode up on the screen right here if you want to go and check it out. Make sure you also check out my Instagram if you want to see any of my shoe posts before anybody else does. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Alright, let's go. Today we're taking a look at the Nike Dunk Low Adobe. This shoe has a general release date of March 1st, 2023 at a retail price of $130. A lot of skate shops and other authorized Nike retailers already got their pairs, but March 1st is the release date given by StockX, which is where I got this pair from. Base layers are styled with a tonal aesthetic. The shoe is mostly made up of suede and canvas material in a coral pinkish color, which sits on a rubber gum outsole. The inside of the shoe is where it gets a little bit more playful. Mesh liners are done up in a soft white hue, while the insoles are printed with graphics that associate with Adobe building blocks. Graphics of the Nike Dunk silhouette, Adobe bricks, and construction tools are laid out across the length of the insole, paired with the Nike branding. As far as resale, it's actually very affordable. Despite not even being GR'd yet in the US, the shoe isn't going too crazy on the aftermarket. Most sizes are right around retail, or $50 over at most. This is surprising for it being a Nike Dunk Low SB because typically SB Dunks have a higher resale value. I really like the color of the shoe, but I'm not a huge fan of the gum soles, but it's still a very neutral and light toned shoe that would be great to wear. Well, this has been 1 Minute Sneaker Reviews. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for all of your support and have a great day.